Hi, I'm Marilu. I'm 66 years old, and I've been a nurse in the Philippines for like almost 3 decades, like 28 years. And I am now working in USA for almost 2 years already. Ulila na ako sa ina at age 3. So, ang namulatan ko lang na magulang, yung tatay ko. I witnessed how my father worked so hard for our family. Sabi ko, tatay, huwag po kayong mag-alala, iaahon ko kayo sa kahirapan. I will become a nurse someday para may mag-alaga sa inyo. Yun ang unang pinangako ko sa tatay ko. So, nag-aral ako mabuti hanggang nag-high school ako. Pero nag-iiba pala yung goal mo pag nasa high school ka na. May dagdag na yon. Yung hindi na lang mag-aalaga ka dun sa tatay mo o yung family mo, may dagdag na yon. I want to be a nurse because I want to have or earn green money. Nung bago ako mag-intern ng nursing profession, nabuntis ako. And that was the first failure of my dad. Sabi ko, tatay, buntis na ako. Hindi ko na maaalis yun. I have to make sure na buhay yung anak ko. Pero hindi ko kakalimutan yung pangako ko sa inyo. And then, nagkaroon ako ng anak 5. Okay, nagtrabaho naman ako sa Pilipinas, pero it's not enough. It's not enough para buhayin mo yung 5 anak mo. My husband is an engineer. He worked in a bank. Hindi still sapat yun para matumbasan mo yung pangangailangan ng 5 anak mo. I raise hogs, poultry, basta ginawa kong lahat para mapabuti ko lang yung lagay ng mga anak ko. Ibig sabihin nun, nakalimutan ko, naisantabi ko yung pangarap ko. Nakalimutan ko yung pangarap ko sa tatay ko, pansamantala, pero at the back of my mind, naandun pa rin, may pangako ako sa tatay ko eh. And then, 2009, naging okay na lahat yung mga anak ko, nag-graduate na sila. So, nagkuha ako ng NCLEX. I took my NCLEX and fortunately, naipasa ko din. So, sabi ko, I think this is the time for me to fulfill my dreams. 2011, nagkasakit yung asawa ko. So, still, hindi ko na naman, naisantabi ko na naman yung pangarap ko. Nakalimutan ko na naman yung aking pangarap para sa sarili ko. I have to take care of my husband. I have to take care of my husband. And then, 2015, pumunta kami ng Canada. Namatay siya doon. My life was shattered into pieces and it was so hard for me to pick up the pieces para maging buo ang sarili ko. But then, sabi ko, sige na, mabangon ako. I still can. Nasa tono pa ako. Kaya ko pa to. Yung tatay ko namatay ng 2016. So, ibig sabihin, namatay siya nang hindi ko natupad yung pangako ko sa kanya. Napakasakit. Dahil namatay siya, hindi ko natupad yung pangarap ko eh. So, parang wala na yung asawa ko, wala na yung tatay ko. So, wala na akong pangarap maging nurse. Hinihintay ko na lang kung anong cut ng Diyos sa akin. Hinihintay ko na lang. Until like, I think 2021. Yeah, 2021 nung nakilala ko sina Mike Austria, Grinder family, na may nag-refer sa akin na pamangkin ko rin, si Marian. Sabi niya, Auntie, will you please try to apply? No, I can't do it anymore. I'm like 64 years old already. Who wants me with this age? Auntie, here in America, there is no age limit. As long as you can, I trust you, I believe in you that you still can. I came here as tourist and the Attorney Carmen did the adjustment of status. And it's only for like 8 months. Lahat. Okay. Ang ganda ng Green Door. Walang stop. Tuloy-tuloy yan. At ang ganda ng pakikisama nila sa mga clients nila. I thought of quitting. Because I was thinking I cannot do it. But the strong desire that I have, the determination and the tenacity of being a nurse here in USA is very strong. Nasa system ko na yan. Payo ko sa mga old age na kagaya ko. Huwag kayong matakot maging kagaya ko. Hindi pinagbabasehan ang edad. Hindi pinagbabasehan ang edad. I think I still don't have plans for retirement. As long as I can, as long as nursing is still in my heart, and if God will gonna tell me to stop, then I'll stop. But for now, I have no plan of retiring yet.